Five things people around the world love about Filipinos. Number five is what makes them successful. I've been blessed to travel and live to many countries over the years, whether in Europe, the Middle East, North America, or Asia. One question often comes up when people find out I'm Filipino. What are Filipinos really like? After meeting so many people from different cultures, here are the five things they tell me they love most about Filipinos. Number one, our hospitality. No matter how simple our home is, we always make our guests feel welcome. We offer food, make space, and treat visitors like family. That's something many people remember long after they leave. Number two, our resilience. Filipinos have an incredible ability to smile through difficult times. We don't ignore hardship. We face them with hope, faith, and determination. Number three, our family values. In many countries, people admire how close Filipino families are. We care for our parents, support our siblings, and do everything we can to give our children a better future. Number four, our kindness and respect. Simple words like po and opo, respecting our elders, and helping others without expecting anything in return leaves a lasting impression on people from around the world. And lastly, number five, our hardworking spirit. Whether we're nurses, caregivers, engineers, teachers, seafarers, or working in hospitality, Filipinos are known for giving their best. That's one reason we're respected and welcome in so many countries. So if you're a Filipino, be proud of who you are. These qualities aren't just things people notice. They're part of what makes our culture so special. What do you think is the best quality of Filipinos? Let me know in the comments and don't forget to like, follow, and share. Mabuhay kabayan!